everyone and welcome back to NMS Flavors. Today I'm going to make green moong dal curry. It is yet another Kerala's cuisine, one of the most important dish in Onam Sadhya, and Onam Sadhya which will be there in Onam Day or even in some of the weddings I have attended. This is the first dish along with the ghee. It is served with the rice and papad, and it is awesome kickstart for the Onam Sadhya. So in Kerala they call it as Paruppu curry. Right? So let's look into the ingredients. But before that, a humble request, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please quickly subscribe, hit on the bell icon, notification bell, and then we go for the subscription so you don't miss out any of my videos. It is not at all a tough dish. It is very easy, very healthy, right? And let's see how to prepare it. First of all, let's see the ingredients. 1 cup of green whole moong dal, half teaspoon jeera, that's cumin seed, 1 tablespoon of garlic, 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 cup of fresh grated coconut. For seasoning, we need 12 to 15 numbers of curry leaves, 5 to 6 shallots, 4 dry red whole chili, 1 teaspoon of mustard seed, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, and of course salt to taste. Let's start the cooking now. Place a wok on the gas. Lit it. Let's start with roasting of the green moong. We are doing a dry roast. This much we need to roast it, and now we're gonna grind it coarse in the mixie. Turn off the gas now. So this is how is the green moong dal now after roasting and running it on pulse just for once. It shouldn't be a fine powder, right? Just coarse. Now let's transfer this in the pressure cooker. Pour water. Just put adequate amount of water where it is not too watery, neither too dry. We need to cook it well. Let's add the turmeric powder. Add salt to taste. Now let's cook it. While the dal is getting boiled, let's prepare our next paste. Garlic, cumin seeds, red chili powder, pour little water to make a fine paste. Our dal is nicely cooked, right? And now comes the seasoning. We'll take a wok, place it on the gas stove, turn on the gas. Take 2 tablespoons. Now, as the oil is heated, add the mustard seed. Let's add the shallots, dry red chili, and the curry leaves. Lovely aroma of these curry leaves are coming. Just toss it till the onions become translucent. If you do not like coconut oil, you can opt for sunflower oil, but it will taste best in coconut oil. After all, it's a Kerala cuisine, so it will definitely taste best with coconut oil. Now let's add the coconut paste. Let the gas be on low flame. Awesome. Now the aroma of coconut is, empowering. Now add the dal into that. It shouldn't be too watery. And our perfect parpu curry is ready. Didn't I tell you that it is very easy to cook, and when you prepare it, please do write to me in the comment section. Was it indeed easy for you, and did you enjoy the taste of not? Right? So you can enjoy this with hot rice and papadam. Here in Kerala they call it as papadam, right? So papad and a dash of nice ghee, and enjoy your meal with your family. So see you in the next video. Remember to like, share and subscribe my video. Take care. God bless. Sayonara.